If you like this hairstyle, then please continue watching. Peace out. Bye. Hey you guys, it's your girl Brittany. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, so today I'm about to do my hair. I already washed my hair and stuff last night, so I'm gonna do knotless braids.
Oh, there you go. The lies. There you go. This bitch. The lies.
With beads at the end of them. It's gonna be crocheted knotless braids, so it's gonna be my first time doing it on camera. So yeah, I've seen some videos, so yeah. So oh god, but hey cousins, I messed it up, but hey y'all, I hope you're doing okay. You know, it's hot out here in these streets right now, and I'm just, you know, I'm already black and I got a black shirt on, so that don't mix at all. So yeah, I will be back in a few minutes. I gotta part my hair. Yeah, and I'll be back. Hey y'all, I know my intro said knotless braids, but right now I cannot even do it, and then the hair that I got don't even like match. So I'm not trying to look like a clown in these streets, so I'll have to try it another time. But I bought 4 packs of that, and it had 3 bundles in each one, and I messed up 2 bundles of them already, because I thought it was this color, but close to this, so okay. And it's this. So yeah, I'm mad. I am really mad, but I'm just gonna do twists with some beads on it, since I wanted knotless braids with beads at the end. So I'm gonna try this style so y'all can just watch me do that. Oh, and I got water and some oil in here, and then I was using the Murray Edge wax, so that's what I'm using for my, I mean, I already have some on, but Hey you guys, I'm sorry I forgot to get back on camera on Wednesday. Today is Friday and I forgot. So yeah, this is the end of this video. The hairstyle. I'm gonna zoom it in for y'all. So most of the ones in the back has just one or two, but yeah. My bad, y'all. I don't normally don't do it, but yeah. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. Peace out. Bye.